Welcome guys back to another quick video. In this one I'm going to show you how to fix the problem when your SatNav or infotainment screen is rebooting, restarting all the time, every minute or two or so. So stay tuned if you want to know how to fix it for cheap or for free. As you can see, the system keeps rebooting and I've just done the major service on the car and I cannot reset the scheduled maintenance due light. Let me show you that what it does basically. So when I enter to the maintenance section of the infotainment system, it will take a little bit time till it reboots, and I'll show you. See that wrench icon behind the maintenance, and it says 0 days 0 miles. So if I want to adjust the time and the mileage, so the icon or the warning message has gone from here, but the system will reboot very soon. So basically the problem is that the SD card is corrupted, and that's why it's not loading the navigation, and that's why your system keeps resetting. And let me tell you the solution. So basically you need to open this area where your SD card is. It's down there, and you remove the SD card. And you need to reset the SatNav. How you do that? You do it by pressing the mute button and the nav button for as long as it doesn't reset. So I'm going to press it and keep it pressed and see what happens. Yeah, it reset itself. And if you leave the SD card removed, obviously you won't have the navigation, but you won't have the screen, the infotainment screen, keep resetting itself or turning off and on again. The solution to that, to make sure your navigation is working, you need to get a new SD card with the maps. Maybe if you can update the software, that would be enough, but I highly doubt, because the problem is very likely with the SD card being corrupted. I need to set again the maintenance, and we are good to go.